Good morning everyone. This is Coach Joy. So for today's video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-order ng products here in Live Good. So I'm using cellphone for this video tutorial. So pupunta lang po tayo sa ating back office, no? So pupunta po tayo dito sa may tatlong line sa bandang itaas sa right side. And then we will go to products. Ayan. So here, pag in-scroll mo, marami ka nang makikita dyan ng mga products, no? Kung anong gusto mong orderin, no? Scroll mo lang siya. So, I would like to order collagen. So, click natin yung collagen. Order now. So, here, makikita mo yung price difference niya. So, ang laki ng difference, di ba? So, that's why I recommend na be a member of Live Good para mas marami po tayong masave, no? So, let's say, I would like to order 5, no? Kasi, gamit na gamit natin yan. Okay, add to cart. Yan. So, nakikita natin yung price niya and kung magkano yung na-save natin, no? Then, continue shopping kung may bibilin ka pa, no? Then, i-X mo lang to para makita mo uli yung mga options. Then, scroll all the way down lang, no? Para makita mo yung mga ating mga products. Then here, ito yung mga single product natin. Sa itong bandang ilalim, ito na yung may mga parang mga packages natin, no? Ito yung mga packages natin. So, I would like to order Ultimate, I would like to order International Wellness Pack, no? Kasi itong International Wellness Pack po is free shipping. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, no? Free shipping siya. So, ang laki ng masasave natin dito. So, click natin yung order now. Ayan po ang price difference niya, no? So, may vitamins kasi rito na for men or for women. So, dahil ang pipiliin natin is for women. Okay? And then, add to cart mo lang siya. Yung quantity, kung gusto mong gawing dalawa or isa lang, then, add to cart na natin. Ayan. So, here, nakikita nyo yung in-order natin 5 collagen. So, dito, pag nagkamali ka ng pwede mong gawing baguhin, no? So, 5 collagen, and then, meron tayong International Wellness Pack, no? Pang women yung vitamins. And then, i-check out mo na. Yan. Okay? Here, ito na yung breakdown. Meron ditong payment type, no? So, mamimili ka kung anong option yung gusto mong gawing way ng pag-pay. Pwedeng credit card, cryptocurrency, or credit wallet if you have funds or kung may laman yung credit wallet mo, no? Ayan. So, for this one, so credit card yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. So, nakikita natin dito yung kanyang total, no? So, 269.72 and the shipping fee is $39.72 lang, no? Ganun po kalaki na save natin. Okay? And then, andyan yung aking information, no? Ang aking address. Then, I will just click this 2 boxes here. I understand and then I agree. And then, i-click mo na yung place order. And then, that's it. So, ganun lang po kasimple mag-order sa ating Live Good back office, no? Kapag gusto nating mag-order ng any products. Okay? At dito detalyado makikita mo na kung how much yung magiging charge mo sa iyong credit card so as how much yung magiging shipping fee natin. Alright? So that's it for this video. I hope meron tayong natutunan. Thank you for watching.